What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be fixing the Firebird. We have to take out the blower motor because it's broken, and we also need to fix the pigtail to the blinker. It's fried. If y'all are curious on why we need to fix this blower motor, yeah, we ain't keeping it on for too long. As you can see, the driver's side blinker is on. She's on. It ain't blinking. In a really tight spot. I'm trying to get y'all a good shot.
It's gonna be worth it when it's all said and done.
I really couldn't get to it. Y'all get the fun part. Y'all get to watch. Take a look.
I mean, it looks pretty broke.
We have our snips, handy dandy wire cutters. Let's go in here, snip our wires. Now I'm gonna leave a little bit of red and a little bit of black so I know which goes where. Well, and here. You want to flip it on?
Oh, yeah.
Definitely go and cut it. There, there, and there. So if we were to rewire this, it would be red, white, and blue. Now that we got the two pieces out, I've done looked online and AutoZone don't carry it anymore. So we're gonna have to go with a new dealer. Once we get them in, we're gonna be installing them into the red car, which should be pretty easy. It's been a few days, but we finally got our parts in. They're right here. We got them from rockauto.com. Go ahead and get her opened up. That ain't gonna work. Since it's child-proofed, I had to go get something a little bit more stout. Now that we have it cut open, let's go ahead and pull it out. We have our light socket, our blinker socket, and then we have another box right here. Let's go ahead and open it up. There she is. Brand new motor. Yeah, look at that right there. That's pretty busted in comparison to that right there. Now that we got these two pieces, we're going to be putting them in the Firebird. But first, we just need to cut this right here. These are not the sharpest. Alright. Let's go ahead and jerk this puppy. It should be fine, as long as I get a good solid connection to it. Use this right here.
There.
Now, let's see if I wired it properly.
Yep.
In order to make our lives easier, we have to take this piece off right here. So let's just go ahead and get to it. This one is in there. Another one here. Probably not the best idea to set them on glass, but that should be all the screws. big old piece.
So what we did, guys, we just cut that off. And here's the other piece.
So let's go ahead and strip this. Whoops. Mother sucker. Now that we've stripped the new motor, we have to wire it to the Firebird. Alright, see if she'll do what she needs. Did she spin the right way? This way?
Turn on again. Yep.
Don't have to be perfect at the moment. How to get to this. We got that put in. It wasn't but 2 plastic clips. That one right there, and there's another one right there. We just put that in. It was 3 bolts right down here, and that's about it. Just to show y'all, we got it fixed. We got it a-blowing. Now that we got the Firebird fixed, we need to go dashing in it, but that's for a later video. If you guys liked the video, don't forget to like, comment down below any ideas you have. We might end up doing them, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.